this Verde bike check. I don't know, I put a couple things on it. So, Shadow Conspiracy Ravager pedal, PC pedals. They're really nice. They have a lot of grip and shit, so I don't know. But on new brake pads, these E-Clat brake pads. They don't really scratch your rim that much. Well, I don't know. All I have is one line. That's because I put them on wrong at first. Then I put on Shadow Conspiracy brake end, bar ends. Yeah, I don't know. It's a really nice bike. I don't know. It's easy to put together when you get it and shit. So I don't know. It's 23.5 pounds. I don't know what it is now, but it should be less. I don't know. It's really good. I don't know. If you're looking at buying it, go for it. It's just a really good bike. People say it breaks easy, but if you're doing stupid shit, yeah. I don't know. Good luck with that.